Hey guys, what's up? In a short step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to break down for you how you can change the size of cells in your document on Google Sheets really quickly. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so just for demonstration purposes, I would like to change the size of that cell here in my document, F13. Unfortunately guys, it is not possible to resize specific or single cells just by left clicking on them and by, for example, clicking on and dragging their edges and corners. So we will have to use or apply a simple trick, and that trick would be to simply resize the given column or row for the associated cell, which in this case here would be column E. So you can do that, for example, by left clicking and holding on one of the edges of that column, just like that. So you can drag that column to the right to make it larger, and you can apply the same trick to the row here to the left, which in this case here would be row 13. So left click on the lower edge, hold your left mouse and drag that edge to enlarge your cell E13. In this case, as you can see, that cell has been successfully resized. So that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.